Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Taliah Janae. Today's December 29th and it is, what time is it? 2:08. So, yes. Just say hey.
Hi, Titi.
Okay, we see your teeth. Just say hey. Okay. And so Jonathan drilled a hole through the brick in the room that we're going to be moving the wash machine and dryer. And he already put the vent in there, so it's actually looking really, really promising. Excuse me. Hirsch. Somebody's so hype about word party. But anyway, Jonathan's literally under the house right now. I'm about to feed him the tubing, the PEX tubing for the wash machine.
Looks
Wham,
perfect.
Yep.
bam, boom.
Hey.
That'll work, boss.
So this is the tubing. Obviously, I showed y'all this in the other video. But it made more sense for me to feed it to Jonathan under the house versus him carry the tubing and trying to crawl and that type of thing. So we just have to spread out all the way down the kitchen. And when he's ready, he's just gonna shout at me and let me know. And then I'm just gonna feed it to him.